Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I talked about this analysis on Friday and, talked about the fact that, hey, you know what? You got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls were starting to make signs, progress upwards. You had, that low and then that low and then that low right there. So, like I said, it wasn't anything gigantic, but like I said, in the spirit of being fair to the bulls, yeah, they were definitely making progress in the upwards direction. However, today, everything has just been wiped away, and all that progress has been ruined as the price broke down through there and is now essentially right back to where it all began when the price was flirting around with these low points down here at 17 cents. So as far as the previous movement right here in terms of, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls starting to warm things up? We got our answer today, and no, that wasn't the sign of anything. It was just simply a dead cat bounce, and now the price is, like I said, literally right back to where it all started. Don't get me wrong. Am I saying that the price can never, ever make an upwards move again? I'm not saying that. Now, as far as resistance levels are concerned, nothing new here to really report. I've talked about this purple line time and time again, and that still remains public enemy number one from the resistance standpoint. So as far as the overall chart, as long as the price is below that purple line, then that just kind of symbolizes that the bears are in full control. Sure, there can be bullish bounces within that context, but as far as, do those bounces have genuine power? Well, you always got to give the benefit of the doubt and to the bears until, the bulls can kind of prove themselves. And again, quote unquote, prove themselves. I'm defining as, getting up above that purple line and then being able to stay up above it. So yeah, back to the drawing board for the bulls. Put together a couple nice days late last week, but that was all ruined today. It went back to right where it was. So maybe the bulls can put together a new upwards movement or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.